Hello, and welcome everybody to our trading session. ยินดีต้อนรับทุกคนนะครับ I'm Joe and I'm welcome you guys all to this trading session and I hope to see you very soon in our trading plan แล้วเรามองแผนกันนะครับ Alrighty, let's go. So, what are we looking for? Wait for choke. This is a SMC formula for downtrend. Looking like this is going to be mostly a downtrend, meaning that it's channeling down towards the downtrend, and it's testing the waters. So I would suggest bounce sell still, even though I did make a lot of bad decisions on the swing trade here when we reach here when we had a little bit of breakout. I was like, yep, the market's definitely gonna recover, and then it faked us out, but no matter, we can win this in the short-term trade. So let's see what do we have here? So this is our trade setup การ setup นะครับตอนแรกเลยดู time frame 1 ชั่วโมง 15 นาที 3 นาที 1 นาที so we have to look at a 1 hour time frame 15 minutes 3 minutes and 1 minute determine the trend กำหนดแนวโน้มนะครับ draw area of interest แล้วก็วาดเส้นนะครับเส้นแนวรับแนวต้านเลยแล้วก็ we wait for we have to wait for the signal ก็ต้องรอสัญญาณนะครับรอสัญญาณตามพื้นที่ที่สนใจนะครับแล้วก็รอ price action and we have to wait for a PA close or a green or red candle in the direction that we want and then we just go in. We can go in front run it, but it's very risky. And you can, but you have to have a lot of experience and above steel. คือแบบตั้ง buy limit ได้เลยหรือ sell limit ได้เลยแต่ว่ามันต้องคิดก่อนนะครับมันต้องมีประสบการณ์ค่อนข้างเยอะนะครับถึงจะทำได้วันนี้เรามาดูกันเลยว่า the 26th of Mayเดือนพฤษภาใกล้สิ้นเดือนแล้วนะครับสำหรับสายมูทั้งหมดนะเขาบอกว่าราคาทองจะดีขึ้นต้นเดือนหน้านะครับ for those astrologers right out there like me in Thai horosat it's Thai horosat it's supposed the price is probably projected to go up but anyway let's see how we're gonna play this out. Stay with me. Stay for the fun trading friend that are still with us. But right now, let's go. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Let's clear this out. The bank holiday is over. Clear this data out. The TP, keep it alive. Okay, right now there's a buy signal here. We wouldn't want to the 1 hour time frame. Look at this potential. Look at these potential. These are potential of a sell. And kid you not, this is also a potential, but we're quite far from that already. And of course, แนวโน้มมันก็คือแบบเปิดแก็บแล้วปิดแก็บคือโคตรจะ bearish เลย super bearish. It's extremely bearish. เปิดแก็บและปิดแก็บเพื่อที่จะมาลงต่อแต่ยังไงก็ you can't trust the market these days. You wake up in the morning, you can see a gap down and then a recovery. คือแบบเจออะไรแบบนี้มันก็นั่นเหมือนกันนะ so you don't really have to trust the market these days now. You just have to predict the outcome of the day, the momentum. Using the momentum for trading is probably best. ใช้โมเมนตัมนะครับคือแบบดูว่าแบบ direction มันจะเป็นอย่างไรในอนาคตแล้วกันนะครับ โอเคเรามาดู15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame ดู15 นาที15 นาทีน้องเป็นยังไงคนทองเป็นยังไงนะครับ so it's trying to break out the 4531 and it's probably going to fail and continue its downward trajectory but the buy momentum is back meaning that there's a nice area of interest คือดูช่วงนี้นะมันน่าจะโอเคนะครับช่วงนี้น่าจะโอเคแล้วก็1 นาที Let's look at 1 minute time frame. What do we have here? A potential recovery from a clear downtrend. Okay, that's it. Potential recovery from a clear downtrend. And 15 minutes sideway down. Testing. One hour time frame. Closing gap. Closing below bullish gap. Meaning likely bearish. Okay. That is it. That is our plan for today. And I hope you guys like the plan for today.สำหรับนี้นะครับคนไทยนะครับ1 ชั่วโมงปิดต่ำกว่าช่องว่างขาขึ้นก็คือแก็ปปิดต่ำกว่าแก็ปนะที่แบบเปิดมาวันจันทร์แล้วมันฮุบขึ้นมาแล้วมันก็ค่อยลงมา คลาสสิกมากเลยนะครับเพราะว่าวันจันทร์ใน low volume มันเป็น limit order ที่ institution หรือ big money เขาตั้งไว้ so the big gap is probably the automated big money smart money they put their limits in and then they realize oh my goodness I better take profit and get the hell out of here we're gonna see like a downward tracement คือแบบเขาก็จะ liquidity grab นะครับ liquidity grab ปุ๊บเนี่ยราคามันก็จะหวบลงไปเลยประมาณนี้นะครับ word of the day เหรอ so what's the word of the day what's the word of the day the word of the day is testing bounce sell let's do a bit of bounce sell shall we bounce sell ก็คือเด้งขายเด้งช็อตนะครับเราทำได้อยู่แล้ว all right it tested the water and now it looks like it's going to touch the area of our interest usually the New York market is bullish these days I don't know why so before New York people just sell and after New York you just buy back it up it's a substantial buy substantial buy indeed if it ever goes down here ถ้ามันลงมาตรงนี้คือแบบน่าสนใจเหมือนกันนะน่าสนใจมากๆเลยนะครับ what a point of beauty it's diabolical mate โอ้ย this price is diabolical โอ้ยThis point is diabolical, mate. This is the line in the sand. It's going to change the background area to purple. So it's a line in the sand here. Danger zone. Once it's past the danger zone, then we might actually see something here. Bigger time frame คือ time frame ใหญ่ดูแล้วมันไซด์เวย์โคตรเลยนะเป็นไม่ได้วะน่าจะประมาณนี้นะ20 alreadyลงมาแล้ว so we're seeing a downward price this one was a very good point of interest but yeah we didn't get in it which is fine almost 1,000 points very cool Now we wait. Wow. Let's clear the energy, shall we? Clear the energy. Man, this area was a very nice area here. We were good into it. And then we do something along the line of this. We would have get a profit already. 2,000 points here. Very possible. We have a potential sell area around here. A recovery long, very much possible. What happened to the graph? There it is. This is a heavy resistance area, so we can expect some price to jump up around this area too. All right, let's get it on, boy. Let me get some water to drink. Also a potential buy for those who did. Wow. If you were at before New York, it's a very strong sell area. But right now, all we have to do is wait. Ayo. ครับ สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับทำอะไรอยู่จ๊ะไลฟ์อยู่ครับไลฟ์อยู่จ้ะเพราะว่าวันนี้ไปงานศพมาไงในพัดก็โอเคนะดูสดใสดีนะอืมอืมอืมอืมอืมอืมอืมอืมอ้าวอืมอืมอืมดีมากครับกินอะไรมา nice to meet you เหรอสุดยอดพี่เอ๋ยเป็นไงบ้างช่วงนี้หรอเจ๋วมากจ๋าคุยกันก็ได้ครับจ้าจุ๊บๆครับบ๊ายบายบ๊ายบาย Hope you guys like jazz. Right now, I'm going to enjoy everything else. Okay, so what do we do here? Resistance, support, potential sell area here. We already determined that the price is going down, directional down. So, advantagely, we want to play up here and go down. Short high, buy low. Have any question, please let me know. We almost get into this if we have a little bit 5 seconds earlier and we actually honed our skills and our commitment to the previous hard, a little bit previous hard. Maybe we waited, it would have been nice. Wait. Right, it's really good to be here with you guys. Oh, looks like the buy recovery might be a chance. What? Alrighty, looks like a recovery point from here. Potentially up here, but let's see. Still in the trend. If gold can hold this around this price this week, that means it's really strong. oh yeah alrighty working my way downtown walking fast faces past and a homebound oh, no we are going down to here maybe and some energy clearing What the fuck? All right. What do we have here? Another fake boy signal. Let's turn this off here. We're looking at the trend only. Look for a liquidity grab. What? Oh wow. Oh well, what's going on here? We are finding ourselves a long battle. A long battle. Are we ever gonna recover from that? We'll never know. Hope you like jazz. The levels are so far apart. Oh my god, I got destroyed in this game. But hey, alrighty, what do we have here? Twice touches, potential of recovery, or maybe another sell opportunity. Another good sell opportunity. You know what I mean? Opportunity. hopefully we're just going to if it doesn't all right, what's going on here? We're seeing the price. Don't worry, guys. It's going to go. It's going to go one way or another. Easy to say, right? Oh, another short would be interesting. It'll be not in the middle of the trend. It has to be up. Has to play around our strength. You have to play around your strength. This is not your strength. Maybe it will go down, but you have better chance up here. And no, I don't want it to be purple. Who said I wanted it to be purple? Nobody. I want it to be green. I have to play around my strength here. Or maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. If it touches these areas here, then most likely but right now we are just still on the ball. Oh, so we're gonna have to see a little bit of an uptrend. Don't worry about it, guys. I'm gonna be here, your friends. You can play without your phone. Without your phone or you have any question please let me know มีคำถามอะไรถามได้เลยนะครับคือช่วงดีมากเลยนะครับผมที่เรามาดูตรงนี้เนี่ย show swing structure โอเค boss break of structure and then boom and then go down very good นะ it is what it is it is what it is Oh, see that back cracking? It was some cracking. Rejection over here, 2-2. Let's see if the rejection is meaning something. Smart money or not? We're not gonna enter here whatsoever because it's in the middle. Consideration. See the price action, but here, most likely. Here, oh, definitely gonna jump in again. Oh, and then a sell. Sell signal in the middle. No. No, thank you. No, thank you. We're probably gonna see some action around this area, but this area it touches the previous high and then saying, "Yep, I'm done." So what do? We wait. All right. A return of the king. Return of the king. all right, all right, all right. The area reached. I'm gonna move my area up for the best chance of sell to be above here. If it goes above here, how many points? 600, 100, 1000. High chance of recovery. Yeah, definitely want to play it around this area here. You're probably not get it there yet, but I don't see how we can play out this somewhere else. All right. Our patience paying off. Well, there's a signal here. Still waiting. Because the momentum is too high. Let's look at 5 minutes. Good evening, beautiful. Hello. Short signal here on the green candle. As you can see that there's a short signal here on the green candle. Hello. So we wait สำหรับคนไทยนะครับ Oh, there's another sell signal. No. We wait. We stand our ground. We stand our ground, guys. Stand our ground. 2 sell signals. Really, really want this area. Let's look at the very nice price action actually. Let's look at our other slow stoic, our favorite one. Slow stoic. Yep, it's definitely at the top of its peak. Yep, it's definitely at the top. Yep. Oh no, we have potential more room to grow. So long term we wait. Why? Because the exhaustion is not yet to come. เทรนด์มันยังไม่หมดนะครับเทรนด์มันยังไม่หมดมันยังไม่มี clear point of interest เลยนะ Here's a big previous resistance, so this one here has a high chance of being a good judgment day here. Let's see how it goes. Oil jumps, oh my god, oil jumps 4% because of Iranอะไรครับ Alrighty. Okay. Let's see back here. all right this actually might be a downturn but we don't know จะลงต่อหรือเปล่าก็ไม่รู้นะครับ most likely but 15 minutes exhaustion could be this is the gap that we open we are close to exactly the gap we open and we bounce คือเปิดแก็บเห็นไหมที่มันว่างตรงนี้คือแบบเวลาราคามันเพิ่มขึ้นมา so this is a gap opening the gap opens and now we're closing below the gap and then above the gap again so very interesting point of view well, looks like the downwards continuation actually so what do we have here all right looks like recovery is not yet far-fetched but we're definitely gonna want to short this area so we wait for this area to jump up 1 2 3 this area is very possible because it reached exactly 0.78. See that? So around this 5.7, and then it freaking bounced. So that's 1 2 3. But can it be a wave 3? We don't know. All right. It looks like the trend wants to go down. Okay. Will there be a chance of recovery? We don't know. Looks like this guy wants to buy. Potential buy here because of the previous resistance here. Sure, I don't know. Let's see. ไปนะครับไปมันไปแล้วช็อตเซลล์แสดงว่าอันนี้มัน very popular มากเลยนะถ้าเกิดไปตรงนี้นี่ก็จะ1,000 จุดอยู่แล้วนะครับเนี่ยอีกนิดเดียว Wait. Oh, very good, sir. So what I'm going to explain to you here is that the trend is actually down. So actually, for those who are really want to, can actually sell the sell here, as the price action here is very nice, and you can probably get a 1,000 points. But recovery potential is quite high. Look at the 5 minutes time frame here. We don't see an exhaustion yet, but this one was an exhaustion. Very nice to play. This one was an exhaustion. Depends on the time frame, I guess, but I expect a recovery soon. There's a buy signal for those who dare. I think I'm willing to go there. I dare to buy here. Very dare. You know what? Let's do it. Very what? No, it's not here. It's not out here. This one's nice. This one's nice. I'll not buy. Maybe I'll just go whatever. It goes go. So what's happening here is that this one is testing the waters here. They're comparing the RSI from here to here, the same point but different time. So maybe we'll see something a little bit down, but we'll never know. น่าสนใจนะครับตรงนี้มี buy signal มาแล้วมันก็ย่อมาด้วยนะครับแต่ว่ายังไงก็ตามยังไม่เข้านะครับอาจจะใกล้ๆกับตรงนี้นะครับเห็นไหมมันมีจุด bounce ปุ้งมันจะมา test อีกรอบหนึ่งไหมอันนี้ไม่รู้นะแต่ยังไงก็ตามนะครับเพื่อการเซฟเราควรที่จะเล่นหน้าเซลล์ so we are the short side. That's why we have I think that having a short side it's going to be profitable for us. You guys like Kevin Walsh? Oh. That was our opportunity, but yeah, we're gonna keep missing it. It's fine. That was probably 1,000 points already. Yep. Congrats, whoever got this 1,000 points already. But right now we wait. รอก่อนนะครับรอก่อน รอ wait. We have to wait. You have to wait. You know, you have to wait. I need that. So this is a clearing Playing ball. Keep our mind clear. We don't enter a buy yet. Oh, recovery signal has happened already. So we wait. We definitely will have to wait around this area. Hopefully I want to see all the tools. It'll be like this. Be like this. And we can keep selling this. Please. I really need it. Potential buy. Very nice recovery. Seems they want to touch the down. Oh, the 500 is defended. Very interesting. We're gonna have to wait and see our precision here. Test our precision. It's 10 p.m. in Bangkok. I really want you guys to know that I love you, and hopefully I will be able to tell you guys a lot more about my trading setup. But meanwhile, we'll be waiting. Why not do it now? So let me tell you about the Apex strategy setup. What you get is that survival in the market. In the CFD leverage market. And then you get change your mindset change from gambler to investor. Well, to be honest, it's gambling with extra steps, but you have concrete stats to back it up. First, what am I talking about? The first thing that I'm talking about is that the first rule, if you are actively day trading and you want to survive in this market, you have to understand these two first: the risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna have to look at my graphs real time too, see how this goes. Oh, it doesn't really want to go up anymore. Okay, all good. Risk to reward ratio and also win rate. Okay. I'm asking AI to make this nicer for you. Just a minute, guys. Okay, let me explain. I'm not going to use AI, I'm going to use my brain. So win rate is basically meaning how many times win versus losses. And risk to reward ratio win amount versus loss amount versus win amount. Hopefully it will be explained to any newcomers. The risk to reward ratio is loss amount versus win amount, meaning that if you invest in something, you expect to lose something. You have to set a clear target of loss and also a clear target of win too. If you win this amount, I'm happy with it. If you lose this amount, I'm happy with it. Pair with win rate. What is win rate? Win trades versus losses trades. Okay, with putting these two things up, like you combined it with science and statistics, you get your investment plan. Meaning that with the risk to reward, let's say, in the trading world, you put in 1 and you expect 1 equals 50-50. Okay. I think let me put it this way. That means 50%. That's not a good explanation. Risk to reward ratio is a loss versus win amount. Let's say you win 1 and you lose 1 and you win 2. You risk 1 but you're willing to get 2 back equals good. 1 to 1 equals not investment this advantage. 1 to 1 is disadvantage. I'll tell you why in a minute. And 1 to 0.5 1 not viable at all. Not viable unless your win rate is something like 90%. Not likely. Oh, how would I say it? Many more disadvantages than the previous one. Let me tell you, I saw this. If you get $100, right? Meaning if you put in $100, let's see the price. How's it going? Still old, same old area, and you probably get back $200, right? And this one, it's pretty much the same thing, but you cut your return in half. And the second one is that it's not a very good one because you only get $50 in return. You get you're risking. You're not saying that this you trade in $100 for $200. No, you trade $100 in a chance of maybe you losing it, but you gain $200 back. That's what I mean. Okay. And then what is win rate versus loss? What is win rate? It's pretty much win trades versus loss trades. So meaning that 4 out of 6, 4W out of 6 loss. What is this telling you? It's okay. It's not very good. 2 win rates. I'm gonna start with better too. Let's say 80. I win and 2 loss, and you win 10 trades. E.g. So win rate, okay? In 10 trades, let's say you win 8 win trades, which is win trades. Versus 2 loss trades. For winning trades. For the 6. And then the last one. It's pretty much a percentage. So 80% chance of winning. That's 40% chance of winning. And then 50% chance of winning. I'll probably cut this. You're saying maybe Why are you not making more example? Because this is probably what the best way to explain win rate and risk reward ratio as I can think of. Meaning that, okay, win rate, when you trade 10 trades, let's say you trade overall 10 trades, you win 8 times out of 2. You win 8 times, you lose 2 times. That's very good. And sometimes you win 5 times and lose 5 times. That's okay. And sometimes you win 4 and 6. That's bad. But it's okay. It's an okay call. So this is a low risk. Okay, because in order to have a high chance of winning, it's a very very hard thing to do. Equals risky equals high risk. High risk to what? To your trade, because having an 80% chance win rate, you have to be really precise, and you have to be knowing some insiders. I have to be honest, because 80% win rate is very rare, unless in 1 year you only trade like 3 times and you know the exact moves or whatever. And that loss can be like a devastating loss. I don't know. That's why I'm saying that these two, win rate and risk reward ratio, you have to combine them together. Combine them together. Plus, why do you need to combine them together? Let me explain to you something, okay? How do I explain this to you? If your win rate is good, but your risk to the most likely thing about your win rate being good, that's an 80% chance, it is most likely that your 80% chance will pair it with a really bad risk to reward ratio, meaning that if you lose 1, but if you gain 0.5. So let's put this into math, okay? Let's say you have 80% win rate. So you win $100. But if you you put in $100. If you win $50. If you lose $100. As simple as that. Let me check the price if there's any big actions coming up. Okay. We miss our holy grail, but it's okay. Probably not gonna trade again today. Let me spend time to explain this to you guys. I think this is very important. So, invest win loss. If you win 8 times, so you win $400 times if you win 50 times 8 equals $400. If you lose 2 times, equals $200. profit equals $200. So it's not bad, but having a strategy that's having a strategy of this with this kind of win rate, if you do have it, it's fantastic. But most of the time, the higher the win rate, the less likely, because nobody can predict the market. So the best bulletproof that I'm about to show you guys is that you don't have to win all the time. To become profitable even with low win rate. So invest only, let's say you want to invest $10,000, and the condition is that this money you have to be able to live without it. Okay, this is not your all-in money. This is not your mortgage money. This is not your borrowed money. This is your own money. Okay, doesn't matter how much you get, you just have to have that kind of thing, because this will affect your win rate. Because if you're using actual money, the hard-earned money, then the money that you put in will make you feel something. You make you feel like you can't lose this, and then you will change your strategy. If you change your strategy, then it will become no longer profitable in long term. Okay, right now if you times it by 1%, that equals to $100. You only risk 1%. Okay, only risk 1% of your portfolio. Only risk 1% of portfolio capital. Invest in $100, and then the risk to reward is 4. Risk to reward, no, 1 to 2, at least 1 to 2. Okay, meaning that you put in $100, we expect you to get $200 in return. Invest $100, win $200, and then win rate equals 4 out of 6. 4 wins, 6 loss. And then with this 4 wins, each win you get 200. It will come down essentially the same, the magic of this, but you trade less, and then you risk less. Okay, and then if you lose 600, because you lose 6 times and you lose only 100. Profit in the end is net profit. That's negative. So this is where the apex strategy comes in play. Isn't that a beauty? So what is the keyword of my strategy? Profitable even with low win rate. Only risk 1% of your capital. So putting in $100 and you expect to get $200 in return. Invest $100, win $200. $200. Win rate equals 4 wins out of 6 losses. Wins $200, 4 times $800. Lose $100 times 6, $600. Net profit $200. As easy as that. And that's a bulletproof strategy, okay? So this is apex strategy setup, survival in the CFD market, leverage market, and the mindset change from gambler to investor. So this is risk-free if the risk is free. Okay, that's why I wanted to you have to back test it yourself, because if you do not, even though you trade like I do, the win rate is probably lower than this, but it was still profitable. You survive the market and you know that what you're doing is going to be profitable in the long term. But anyway, looks like the price is going to shamble. We miss our target here. There we go. That was almost 2,000, 1,500, 2,000's here. But then with the oil price skyrockets. In the 1 hour time frame, it's actually looking very bullish. Let's go back to gold. But unfortunately, this will mark the end of my live trading session for today. If sorry we didn't get into this here, because I was expecting to go up here. But with the system, this is a very nice nice system actually. We would have gotten a lot of money. Okay. But I want to leave it with you guys is that you know, the thing that runs through my screen, like the apex ethos: protect your capital, protect your profit, and protect your discipline. So protect your capital. You want to have a strategy that does this. It doesn't have to be this, but for what I'm trading, I'm a living proof for you guys that my strategy will do exactly this. 40% win rate, but still profitable. Sometimes even better. Let's see. And only risk 1% of my capital. $10,000, I only use $100. Okay. It will have to take me 100 consecutive losses for this. For this setup. Okay, for this setup, which is a low risk, 40% risk, in order for me to lose all my capital. So that's the first step: protect your capital, protect your profit. Once you already get your profit, then you have to have a system. You don't change your lot size. You don't change your, it's already $100. You don't increase it for the month. Keep at it. Okay, you can increase it the next month. Okay, and then protect your discipline, meaning that if you're disciplined, whatever you're doing and is working, keep doing it. Don't try to test different theories when you already proven. If you have proven it, okay. And then protect your soul. Of course, trading is not about everything. You can't let trading be about everything in life. You have to enjoy life. You have to go live. And this actually might be a chance of reversion soon. But it doesn't look very good. So yeah, I hope happy trading. I don't want you guys to to look at the graphs all the time. And look at this is closing below the gap already, and it looks like it's going to continue to go down. It'll probably go down. It fought hard, and yeah, I'm probably gonna see a flash like this before anything that goes up, like this, like a big flash. So it will probably be in this area here in the past. Okay, and 13th of May it probably shoots down and then have a V-shaped recovery. In this case, we could see something along the line of, it's actually a triangle. Markets is deciding which are probably going to go down, to be honest. But look at this area here. As you can see, this line nicked passes. Like there are sharp moves related to this price area here. So it's defending itself. And of course, that's just a theory. It's just theory, but the price will probably yeah, keep going down. I'm truly blessed for $1 million in my bank account. Is what I say, and I just that day is gonna come. That day is gonna come, and unfortunately we didn't trade today. But if you follow me and you see these signals here, and you are braver than me, see this area that we already touched, and there's a signal here, very beautiful. If you gotten it in, then you would have made a lot of profit. Yeah, envy for those who got it in. Let's wait for this area. But hey, it's gonna keep going down. I'll leave you with the cleansing sound, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Namaste, peace. เจอกันนะครับ บ๊ายบาย